Juicing for diabetics. Juice enthusiasts highlight the many attributes of drinking a fresh glass of juice, citing benefits like weight loss, increased nutrient intake, and easier digestion and absorption of said nutrients. Though drinking fresh juice may have some health benefits, it may not be right for everyone, especially those with diabetes. Juicing is the process by which liquid from food, usually a fruit or vegetable, is extracted and separated from the solid components. The liquid, or juice, produced by this process contains many of the vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds from the fruit or vegetable but little of the fiber. Proponents of the juicing trend suggest that the benefits of homemade juice outweigh those of store-bought varieties, as it's fresher and doesn't contain added sugars, artificial nutrients, or preservatives. Regardless of how you choose to make your juice, juicing can be an effective way to increase your nutrient intake from fruits and vegetables, too. Research suggests that drinking fruit and vegetable juice could be an efficient way to access these valuable benefits. Interestingly, many of the perceived benefits of juicing, like improved nutrient intake and digestive health, are similar to those you would get by simply eating more whole fruits and vegetables. Drinking fruit and vegetable juice may be an easy way to consume beneficial nutrients and plant compounds, potentially reducing your risk of disease and inflammation. Drinking 100% juice is not associated with an increased risk of diabetes, though it may not be the best choice for those who already have the condition. While juices are a concentrated source of beneficial nutrients, they're also a concentrated source of carbs in the form of sugar. If you have diabetes, carefully monitoring and controlling your carb intake is essential to maintaining balanced blood sugar levels. Eating a high-fiber diet can slow the rate of absorption of sugar from your digestive tract, reducing total blood sugar response. Because a large portion of the fiber is removed from fruits and vegetables in the juicing process, the sugars in these foods are consumed and absorbed more quickly, leading to rapid blood sugar spikes. Thus, eating the whole fruit, not just the juice, lends itself to a slower, more manageable rise in blood sugar, partially because the process of consuming it takes longer. Juices contain high levels of carbs in the form of sugars, which may contribute to rapid elevations in blood sugar, especially for people with diabetes. Most juices are high in sugar and low in fiber and protein. Because of this, a common dietary strategy used to improve diabetic control is to pair high-carb foods like juice with other foods that contain fiber and protein. If you're planning on drinking juice, eating a source of protein and fiber alongside it, like a small handful of almonds, may help mitigate the rise in blood sugar. Most juices lack fiber and protein, two nutrients that may otherwise help curb blood sugar response. It's easy to drink too much juice, which can contribute to poor blood sugar control in people with diabetes. Opting to use lower-carb fruits and vegetables in your juices may help minimize blood sugar response. Try mixing low-carb options like cucumber, lemon, or lime with your fruit juices to reduce overall carb content. Alternatively, consider foregoing the fruits and drink veggie-only juices made with non-starchy vegetables like celery, spinach, kale, and tomato. Monitoring portions of all carb-rich foods is an essential component for any diet aimed at managing diabetes, and juice is no exception. Whether or not juicing fits into a healthy diabetic diet plan depends on the individual. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.